Hey guys, the Diamond 72. It's my bike check. So we've got some lizard skin grips. Nice. Really like them. And then I've got some Avid Juicy 3s. Nice and squishy. And then I've got a Truvative bar with a Thompson 40mm stem. Oh, and my cable is wrapped around a whole bunch of times. Bar spins and stuff. An FSA Pig DH Pro headset with some RockShox Argyle forks, some Kendismo Block 8 tires, some NS hubs in gold, some, I don't know, black spokes. Yeah. Oh, and rims, they're a Halo SAS in white. Doberman Pinscher frame, best frame ever. Just a random C-post pivotal. And then Alien seat. Redline crankset. Some magnesium pedals, 60s. They're nice. We the People sprocket in white 28 tooth, really nice. KMC chain, gold, and it's a bike check, and it's dialed, I guess. Yeah. Yep.